Okay, guys. Here is how the market looks like. You see the red and the green candles. Okay, I would explain to you bit by bit. First on the chart. This is the chart. Um, I'll show you how I analyze my market. Then you guys can have an understanding of what I do. All right. This is we're going to be trading different currency pairs. Okay. But what I would like to tell traders or aspiring traders is trade major currencies like the US dollar, the Great Britain pound, the euro, the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen. Those are currency out of seven major currencies. I think the US dollar is there, the Canadian dollar is there, the Great Britain pounds is there, the euro is there. We have the Australian dollar. We have the Japanese yen. We also have the Swiss francs. Uh, this chart right now is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, and you can look at the screen. You see chart. Okay, I would first today class we're gonna talk about all these things you're seeing right here. These are the tools for analyzing your market. If you check your tools, this is tradingview.com. The best for me, this is the best platform to analyze your market. Then you trade your market on either MT4 or MT5. These are the tools and these are the price actions. This is how the price looks like. Um, this is the time frame. As you can see, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. There are other time there, like the 2 hours, 3 hours, one range, 10 range, 100 range, 1000 range. But I already start the ones I want to use per minute, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then seconds, you have 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, blah. But I like 1 minute, 5 minutes to the monthly time frame. This is your indicator. I don't use indicators, but for those people who want to use indicator, you could use here. This you check, and if it's something you can work with, you work with it. This is New Zealand US dollar, and we're on the 1 month time frame. See forex.com. That's the um, the platform I'm using to trade. We have other currency pairs. We have the US dollar against the card, the Canadian dollar, USD card. They abbreviate. Sorry, they abbreviate these things for us, so we don't have issues. Like there so many times you see USD. A lot of people don't know what USD is. USD means the US dollar, United States dollar. So if you want to trade US dollar against the Canadian dollar, you just key in USD card. But I want to show you New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. First, before you dive into the market, before you rush into the market, you have to have a strategy. What currency pair do you want to trade? What time frame do you want to execute your trade? Those are the things you put into consideration. When do you want to get out of your trade? Those are the things you put into consideration before you go into trading. Now, there are different types of traders. We have the position traders, we have the swing traders, we have the day traders, we have the intraday traders, we have the swing traders, we have the scalpers. The position traders, they always analyze their markets from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame. Now, each candle you see here represents 1 month or the monthly time frame. It took this candle 1 month to form fully. It took this candle, you see it, February. February ended on Thursday. So This candle started on the 1st of February and ended the last day of February. This candle December and ended. This candle you're seeing here, it was December, it started and ended in December. This one is January, this one is February, and we are having a new candle here for the month of March. So 1st of March, Friday 1st, you see the time. So these are dates and time. And these are price, these are the tools you use, these are time frames and indicators. Those are this is how the chart looks like. I decided to use green and red to indicate buyers and sellers. Like the green, when buyers took from the sellers, when they got to their chance, you see green, and it's got to this point, and now the sellers took it back down. Now the buyers are gaining momentum. So we don't know if this market is going to go up or come down. We don't know if it's going to go up, or we don't know if it's going to come down. But we'll have to wait and see, then know what it's going to do. So this is the monthly time frame. We we have different time frames like I've showed you, and we have different currency pairs like I've showed you as well. Now I'm going to talk about spotting out your zone. Now in the monthly time frame, you need to spot out your zone. Like I said, we have two types of zone. We have support zones and we have resistance zones. Okay. So what is support zone? Support zone is the zone where buyers gain momentum to push market upward. That is for support zone. Then for resistance zone is where sellers gain momentum to push market downward. If you see from here on our chart, you see that market pushed from here up here, then pushed downwards to this spot, then also pushed upward, yeah, then it pushed downwards, yeah, and if you look, it also pushed up to this spot and then pushed down, pushed up again, now pushed down. Now what is the market trying to do? Is trying to push up, yeah. Now let's put out our support and resistance zone. Like I said, support zone where buyers push the market upward, while resistance is when the market push, when sellers push the market downward. You see from here, buyers got momentum and pushed the market up to this point. Then the sellers gain momentum and pushed it down. Buyers gain momentum, push it up. Sellers pushed it down, and right now the market is ranging. Yes, that's another zone. We have the ranging zone where markets decide whether it wants to buy or whether it wants to sell. And you'll get a clearer picture. So when market decides to push up from here up to this place, so this place is this support zone. This is a support zone. This is a resistance zone, a support zone, resistant, support, resistance, support. We have a resistance here and we have another support here. This is also considered as a resistance zone. If you go down to the smaller time frame, you get a clearer picture why this is a resistance zone. Let's go to the weekly time frame. You see, it's a resistance zone. Market resist here, resist here, resist here, and we have support here. We also have support here. Okay, so let's do it on a clearer way. Now, resistance zone. This is how resistance zone looks like. This is resistance and this is support. resistance, support, resistance, support. You will get this again. This is a resistance zone. Then we'll get this. This is a support zone, resistance zone. So if you look at the chart very well, if you look at our original chart, you see that markets always do this, right? It always do this. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, support. Now, when market gets to a resistance zone, this is this is a former resistance zone, this is a new resistance zone, this is a old support zone, this is old support zone. So definitely this is one thing I'll give you. Once market gets to a resistance zone, just know that a resistance zone is going to form. Okay, how long is it going to take to form? We don't know. We also have a ranging zone where market decides to either buy or sell. A ranging zone, this is how a ranging zone looks like. A ranging zone, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up again, and it comes down. If you see a market like this, do not take trade, because the market is still making its decision to either buy or sell. I'll show you charts like this. So if you see something like this in the market, ranging zone, see, we do not have, we do not know what this market wants to do here. We don't know if he wants to buy, we don't know if he wants to sell, we don't know if he wants to buy, but you see that it keeps touching previous support and resistance. So let me show you in the real market so you understand this. You see it up, down, broke, and went back up, came back up, you get, and now it's going back. So I know this market because the way it's doing, I believe it should be able to touch here. They'll probably come back down. You get. So this is a ranging market. I already showed you a breakout market, a buying market. This is buying. Pushed up here. Buyers got momentum here and pushed market to this spot. And if you see again, you see a ranging. You see a ranging here. You see a ranging here. Market range broke, and sellers pushed the market down to this place. After the market broke here, before you see the market hasn't come back up here, the market is here ranging, but it broke here, touched it down here, and started ranging. Now the market, we wait to know if the market is going to either go up or come down. So this is how the market looks like. So we've talked about the support and resistance zone. We've talked about the time frame. We've talked about price. These are price, like where the market is currently right now. You see it here, 0.60937. This is where the market is. This is time. So for this week, we have 15 hours, 36 minutes, and some seconds left before this week runs out. Then let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. we have a ranging market. So you have a ranging market on the daily time frame. Don't forget, each candle represents a day. Each candle represents one day. Each candle represents one day on a daily time frame. Then we have the 4 hours. Each candle here represents 4 hours. It took one candle 4 hours to form fully. Then we have 1 hour. It took each candle is 1 hour to form. One candle, 1 hour, one candle, 1 hour. We have the 30 minutes. Each candle took 30 minutes to form. We have 15 minutes. We have 5 minutes, and we have 1 minute. So it took this market 1 minute to form, 5 minutes to form. I hope this has been able to help you uh, get a clearer understanding of how the market looks like. Um, we'll still do more videos. We have 2 days to go, so you could watch this video next time and watch it over and over again. That way you get to understand what is happening. So don't forget, we have the resistance zone, we have the support zone, we also have the ranging zone. And don't also forget, we have the monthly, we have the time frames, we have the monthly time frame, we have the weekly time frame, we have the daily time frame, the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 hours, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 minute time frame. So all this time frame now depends on what type of trader you want to be. You want to become a position trader, you trade from you analyze your market from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame before you execute trade. You want to become a day trader, you analyze your market from the daily time frame down to the lower time frame. You want to become a scalper, you look at the market from the daily time frame down to the lower time frame. Intraday trader, you look from the 4 hours to the 30 minutes before you execute your trade. So you need to understand what type of trader do you want to be. Do you want to be a position trader? Do you want to be a swing trader? A swing trader swings trades, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high again. You see? So a swing trader would swing his trade, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, buy when it's going up, sell when it's coming down, buy when it's going up, sell when it's coming down. So that's what a swing trader does. It swings his trade. Then we have the intraday trader. I said that before. They trade from the daily time frame down to the 30 minutes. Scalpers, the ones that make fast profits, always trade from the 30-minute down to the 1 minute time frame. I hope this video has been able to help you understand some basics of the foreign exchange market. In our next class, we'll talk about the trends. We'll talk about the type of trends we have. We have 3 types of trend. We have upward trend, we have downward trends, then we have the ranging movements. Those are the movements that are there. So we'll talk about it more in the next video. I hope this video has been able to help you. My name remains Shine, and I'll be here till infinity. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't be shy to come into my DM and ask me any questions. I would be able to give you an answer if I have time. If I don't have time, just drop a message. I'll see it and I'll respond to it. Definitely respond to it. Have a lovely day ahead. God bless you.